Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. A little bit different setting right now. I'm actually at my dad's house watching the dogs while they're out of town. Probably hear him jingling there. That's Jesse. The other one is hiding. I don't know what he's doing. Just being weird somewhere. Man, I got another red hot video for y'all today. The first few clips of this video are kind of fuzzy. They're very dark. I was adjusting the brightness on them, trying to fix the quality so y'all could actually see what's going on because it's so dark. So it's a little grainy at the beginning. I tossed the Fluke around for a little bit. Wasn't really happening, as you will see. I definitely was getting bites, but I wasn't connecting on anything. So I quickly picked up that frog rod, man, and started pounding the bank, and they were all over that thing first thing in the morning. I also picked up the Cavatron buzzbait. I've never thrown a buzzbait on Ladybird, and I gotta tell you, I'm gonna start throwing it now. Definitely a big fish bait. This Cavatron is very squeaky. It makes a very unique sound. Yeah, it's just a really, really unique bait, and it forces those big ones to make a decision. But yeah, guys, stay tuned. Got a good one for you. Don't you go nowhere. On the buzzbait. Oh, she came off. Dang it, on the Cavatron, y'all. On the Cavatron. That feels like that's a pretty good one, y'all. That's a pretty good one. That's a pretty good one, y'all. Oh yeah. That is a pretty freaking good fish right there. Woo! All right, baby. Nice 3-pounder. Start the morning off, guys. She hammered that Fluke, baby. Kind of throwing like a smoked shad color. I don't know if the color really matters. Just throw something that looks like a bait fish and twitch the shit out of it and they'll eat it, man. Nice. I've missed several bites already, y'all. Quite a few short strikes. Got that one though. Whew. Hold on a second, eh? Did I just break off? I don't think I did. Oh, she stole my Fluke, y'all. She stole it. That was a good bite, man. Really good bite on that one. That was a little one. Oh my God, what a bite. Did y'all see her run with it? Holy freaking crap. I mean, they're hitting it and they are just taking off, man. Like, I'm getting owned right now, y'all. Like, I cannot get a hook in the I cannot get a hook in them somehow. Goodness gracious, man. Bye. Golly, that bass hammered it. God dang it, dude. I'm telling y'all, they're hitting this thing and they're taking off 1,000,000 miles an hour. I cannot get a freaking hook in them. Good Lord, man. So I finally got tired of missing bites on the Fluke and picked up that frog rod and started beating the bank, baby. Doing what I know best. I mean, what a blow up that was. Holy smokes. Oh my God, dude. Massive blow up. Massive blow up. Oh my gosh, you guys. She wanted it. She wanted it. Man. She's like busting through the mat trying to get that thing. Wow. I think they want a frog. Stay down, baby. Don't do that. Don't do that. God, dude, they are on the frog, you guys. I mean, they are on it. I've had a bunch of bites on it, man. A couple short strikes, but now that I put this Spro on, I've hooked every single one of them, so it's looking good. Nice. Came up at the last second and got it. That was sick. Just working it quick, y'all, and I just dead sticked it and I watched her come up and just inhale it. And the frog bite is really good right now. If I would have been doing this from the very start and not throwing the Fluke, I'd have more fish in the boat. Because the Fluke bite actually wasn't amazing this morning, but the frog bite has been great. That's awesome. Oh my God, that was a giant. Look at her. She followed it all the way up. That was a giant. That wake was huge. Oh my God, you guys. She was beelining it to this Fluke. My gosh. Oh, I can't believe I missed her. Oh shit. Oh, I guess I'm going to the fish. Unless she jumps out. That's a decent one too. baby. A little bit of work to get this one out, but hey, I got her. Oh, that's a nice one. Y'all, that bite was so subtle. That bite was so subtle. I thought it was a sunfish. Bass hit it exactly how a sunfish would have hit it. That was crazy. No big ones yet, y'all, but I'm catching them. Oh my gosh, good one, you guys. Good one on the buzzbait. Really good one. Don't shake it. I mean, not freaking huge, about the same size as all the other ones I've caught today, but hey man, that's cool. I wasn't expecting that. Nice. Oh my god, you guys, I just had a giant follow it all the way to the boat. Dang it. I saw the wake too. Would have been awesome, dude. Dang it, dang it, dang it. That sucks. Big, 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 big. Oh my god, it's a giant. It's a giant. It's a giant. Oh my god, you guys, this is a freaking huge one. Oh my god, it's a freaking huge one. Please, baby, please come here. I just had another monster follow it all the way to the boat too. I just had another big one follow it too. Look at that, are you kidding me? On the Cavitron, my goodness. Lucky I didn't lose that fish. I fought that like a dummy. Man, that is a tank. This thing has to be 5. It's close to 5, I think. This fish is really heavy, man. 4 pounds, 11 ounces, y'all. Hell yeah. Been looking for a big bite all day, baby. I finally got me one. Finally got me one. God, that is a tank. Hell yeah. All right, y'all. Well, I just freaking had a monster follow me all the way to the boat, like about the same size as that one, really. And then that was like 2 casts after, so maybe it's a little afternoon buzzbait deal here. I'm gonna keep after it. Tank. Nice. Thank you. It's not a bad one there, y'all. Oops. Ooh, she choked it. Look at that. It's gone. Nice. Yeah, baby. Another one. Another good one, too. Ah, there she goes. Damn it, this tree f***ed me over. I couldn't land her with that damn tree in my way. It's another freaking solid one. Oh my god, it's a giant! That's a giant! Oh my god, come here. Got her. Oh man, I thought she was way bigger than that, you guys. Ooh, I thought she was way bigger than that. Man, I thought that was an absolute monster when she hit that thing. Still a freaking nice one though, hell yeah.